Alright, today we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, and we have another project mentioned in an article regarding continued institutional activity here in the crypto sphere. We have major entities in the traditional world of finance getting involved in the crypto space in one way or another. So be sure to stick around till the end to not miss any of what's going on. If you like the video, be sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe if you're new, as we try to keep these coming at you every day. I'm going to apologize for my voice today, as I've been stricken with the most life-crippling illness one can possibly get: seasonal allergies. We're looking at Bitcoin, quickly recapping EngineeringRobo here. We have the buy 2 and buy 4 Robo advisor coming into play throughout the end of July. You were able to experience up to 53% in gains over the following 45 days. However, you were able to capitalize on 36% ROI utilizing our bullish and bearish Robo advisors, turning a potential $1,000 invested into Bitcoin into over $1,360. A reinvested $1,360 back into Bitcoin throughout the beginning of October. Into the middle of November, experienced 42% in upside. However, you were able to capitalize on 24% in gains utilizing our bearish Robo advisors, turning your $1,360 investment into over $1,600, increasing your initial $1,000 investment by 60% using EngineeringRobo here on Bitcoin. And as you can see from our most recent interaction with bearish Robo advisors, we have the sell 2 and sell 4 combination throughout the middle of November from $59,999 just about, and then price action experienced this dramatic, life-crippling shake everyone out. Everybody gets wrecked. 44% in downside over the following 69 days here before experiencing a very bullish interaction with my support level, and then we see a very bullish interaction with EngineeringRobo. However, very significant price action over the last couple of months here. Everyone getting wrecked in Bitcoin as we get slipped and slapped, kicked and punched, munched and scrunched up, down, and around here from this ridiculous sideways. Technically, we do have bearish Robo advisors here. We do see all three of our Robo advisors returning to a bearish state as we re-interact with a very significant level of horizontal support here for us. In my opinion, $34,655 per Bitcoin is going to be a very significant level here. We are looking for continued interaction with. If daily candles open and close below this support level here, then we can consider it as resistance and anticipate further interaction towards stronger support, which we will visualize here once necessary. But we have already reduced our position size when two of our chosen three Robo advisors were confirmed. The sell 2 and sell 4 came into play at the $38,413 level, where we reduced our position size. Finding ourselves back below this descending trend line here, we also will be reducing our position size even further. However, we were able to put 20% of our investment into Bitcoin at this support level back throughout the end of January here. And so, in my opinion, based on support and resistance, if you missed that level, you actually can put 20% of your investment into Bitcoin at this level, as this is a very bullish area of support here for us. We are just awaiting the return of bullish Robo advisors, and we are going to adjust this descending trend line here to encompass more of this price action. And so this will allow us to better comfortably accumulate Bitcoin here once we have further solidified support. So we always go with the flow of the confirmations here, waiting to comfortably reinvest into Bitcoin here. You can put 20% of your investment in at support, in my opinion, current levels. You can put 50% of your money back into Bitcoin, when two of our chosen three Robo advisors become bullish again. And then you can put that remaining 30% of your investment in once we have daily candles back above this descending trend line. So we always go with the flow of the confirmations, but if you were to ask my personal opinion and feelings, which do not matter in the slightest in trading. I do suspect this is a very significant area of support here for us, and the overall longer-term uptrend in play is very much intact, and there's been far too much institutional activity at these levels here for me to personally be bearish on Bitcoin. In my opinion, there's just been some very significant economical and global activity that has been affecting the economy, and there's been all these reasons why everyone's been panic selling and getting shaken out. However, major institutions in the traditional world of finance are accumulating Bitcoin by the tens of thousands. So more and more reasons to be bullish on Bitcoin have been presenting themselves, in my opinion. But looking at Litecoin and EngineeringRobo here, we can see a change of plans in the immediate short term is in play, as bearish Robo advisors have returned and resistance may have been confirmed. So we're looking at bullish Robo advisors in play throughout the end of July here. This buy 4 and moon combination allowed you to experience 63% in upside on your investment and capitalize on 23% in gains. And we see another instance of the buy 4 and moon Robo advisors allowing for comfortable accumulation. You saw up to 57% in gains, but you were still able to capitalize on 7% ROI, turning a potential $1,000 reinvested into Litecoin utilizing EngineeringRobo into over $1,300, increasing your investment by 30% using bullish and bearish Robo advisors. And so we can see ever since this combination of sell suggestions throughout the middle of November, after bearish Robo advisors in play, Litecoin experienced a crippling 52% in downside over the following months. So you lost just over half of your money investing in Litecoin while EngineeringRobo was bearish. Before we interacted with bullish Robo advisors here briefly, where some very powerful price action was occurring. However, the global events here in play was not ready to let price action continue its way upward here. But we go with the flow of the confirmations, and so with bearish Robo advisors in play, we reduced our position when 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bearish. We further reduced our investment when resistance was confirmed. Daily candles opened and closed below $114 per Litecoin, and finding ourselves below this descending trend line here does suggest that we can further reduce our investment and wait for the return of bullish parameters allowing for accumulation. Support down below at $82.20 is going to be the level we do anticipate continued interaction toward until bullish Robo advisors return. And so moving forward, if you have $1,000 to invest in Litecoin, after we adjust the descending trend line here, we can put 20% of our investment into Litecoin at support, $82.20. We can put 30% of our investment into Litecoin once daily candles open and close above the descending trend line. And we can put the remaining 50% of our investment in when 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors become bullish. We always go with the flow of the confirmations, but let me know down below your thoughts on Litecoin and crypto. So Warner Music Group currently partnering with a rather significant blockchain gaming developer here, which currently the game Splinterlands, which is a skill-based NFT trading card battle game that has over 450,000 daily users and has over 1.8 million registered users, and has apparently just surpassed a milestone of 1 billion battles, with all transactions recorded on the Hive blockchain. But quote reading, by partnering with Splinterlands to build custom tokenized games, we'll unlock new revenue streams for our artists who have interest in the space while elevating the role of fandom and community. That is coming from the Chief Digital Officer and Executive Vice President of Business Development at Warner Music Group. So, My opinion, very bullish institutional activity here. It would appear in the crypto sphere, but let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Find this article in the description. So speaking of Hive against Tether here, it would appear utilizing EngineeringRobo after the Buy For and Golden Cross Robo Advisor came into play throughout the beginning of October. You experienced 245% in upside on your investment in 50 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, utilizing 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bearish around the beginning of December, you were able to capitalize on 78% ROI, turning a $1,000 investment into the project into over $1,780. However, if you didn't take profit at that level, price action did and is continuing to experience a crippling, 58% in downside, currently returning to this level that we came from throughout the end of January here. So investing into this coin while EngineeringRobo was bearish lost you just over half of your money. We are awaiting for bullish parameters to be met here. We need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish to put 50% of our investment into the project. We can put 20% of our money into the coin at support, either down below 56 cents, or if 82 cents overhead becomes support, whichever one's first, we can put 20% at that level. And we can put the remaining 30% of our money into the project when daily candles open and close above the descending trend line. We always go with the flow of the confirmations. Let me know down below your thoughts on this coin, though. Ethereum returning to a very bullish area of support here, it would appear. And as we can see, EngineeringRobo is attempting to become bearish here. However, we do need this daily candle to close to confirm this, HE double hockey stick, robo advisor. I don't know with YouTube I can and cannot say, but if 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors confirm, bearish here, it would appear, then we would have to, await, bullish parameters to be met to allow for comfortable accumulation. Again, we always await the confirmations here. If you want to invest, you can put 20% at support. Right now, in my opinion, you can buy at support. You can put 30% of your money into Ethereum once we have daily candles opening and closing above the descending trend line, currently now encompassing more price action. And we can put 50% of our money when EngineeringRobo becomes bullish again. So a major factor contributing to why I've been finding it very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin is going to be the fear zone here. We are far too close to the fear zone for me to be considering a top, in my opinion. I do anticipate interaction with the FOMO zone, currently all the way up at $166,000 per Bitcoin before any sort of significant downside is to be expected. We have not interacted with the FOMO zone yet, and we have set, some very, nice highs up in the 60K range. Institutions are currently accumulating Bitcoin at like a 50% discount here, and in my opinion, this is a very strong area of support, and there are, just far too many factors contributing to, bullish activity here for Bitcoin at these levels, and so, in my opinion, I still need further parameters to be met for me to be, bearish on Bitcoin at these levels. But let me know your thoughts on, Bitcoin and crypto. We always go with the flow of the market. Thank you so much for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.